Hello children. Children, today we will be listening to a story of the brave baby. Okay? Read this ancient story about a North American chief and a brave baby. So here we will listen to a story on a North American chief and a brave baby. Let's see. The chief was brave and fierce. So many people were afraid of him. So the chief was brave and also fierce. So many people were afraid of him. So fierce here means scary, or we can also say dangerous. So the chief was brave as well as dangerous. Therefore, so many people were afraid of him. Now, but a wise old man said, I know someone who is not afraid of you. The chief was surprised. So everyone was afraid of him, but one day the old woman said to the chief that there is someone who is not afraid of the chief. Now the chief was surprised. Who is this man? He cried. Show him to me. The old woman took him to her tent. So, as the old woman has said that there is someone who is not afraid of him, the chief was surprised and asked the woman that, who is this man? And the woman took him to her tent. Where is this man? Asked the chief. I cannot see him. It is not a man, said the old woman. It is Waso, the baby girl. So after she took the chief to the tent, now the chief was asking the woman that where is the man? Where is the man? And now the woman replied that it is not a man, but it is a baby, and the name of that baby girl is Waso. Waso sat on a blanket playing with a stick. Why is this baby not afraid of me? Said the chief. Everyone is afraid of me. So what were the baby doing? The baby Waso were inside the tent, sitting on a blanket and playing with a stick. Why is this baby not afraid of me? Said the chief. Everyone is afraid of me. Now the chief was angry, a bit angry, that why is this baby not afraid of him, whereas everyone is afraid of him. Come here, child, he cried. But Vaso only smiled at him. Come here, I said. The chief was angry with the little girl. So, with angry, the chief called the baby girl to come near him. But the girl did not go. She just smiled. The chief again called her with angrily. Now, Vaso stopped smiling, looked up at the chief. You must do as I say, child, shouted the chief. Vaso looked at him and she began to cry. So, what happened? The chief got angry when the baby girl did not go to him. Now, he called the baby again angrily. Now, what did the chief say? The chief said to the baby that she must do as the chief said. Now Vaso looked at him and she began to cry. Vaso cried and cried but still would not go to the chief. Vaso cried and cried. Okay, Vaso, she was crying and crying but she will not go to the chief. So the chief began to dance. It was a special dance, a dance to make people do as he said. Now, what did the chief do? The chief were dancing for the baby. It was a special dance, a dance to make people do as he said. The dance was actually a special dance that the chief asked the people to do or to dance for him. Vaso stopped crying. She liked the dance. She looked up at the chief and she smiled. Vaso now stopped crying. She looked at the dance. She liked the dance. Now she looked up at the chief and she just smiled. The chief did another dance to make her come to him, but Vaso only laughed. Again the chief did another dance to make the baby go near him, but the baby did not go, she just laughed. The chief danced some more, but still the baby did not do as he said. Still she did not go to him. The chief again did another dance, more dance, but the baby still did not do as he said. The baby Vaso did not go to him. The chief danced and danced. Waso smiled and laughed, and then she fell asleep. The chief were dancing and dancing, but the baby did not go to him. She used to smile and laugh, and now she fell asleep. You see, said the old woman to the chief, here is someone who is not afraid of you. Now the old woman said to the chief that this is the one who is not afraid of you. You are right, said the chief. Waso is braver than me. She is a brave baby. Now the chief also accepted that the baby is braver than the chief. See, because she did not do as the chief said. Now she also, now he also accepted, the chief also accepted that she is a very brave baby. The chief was too tired to angry anymore. He liked the brave baby. He lay down in the tent and fell fast asleep. Now the chief was dancing and dancing, so he was tired too. He was so tired to get angry also. Now he fell asleep in the tent itself. He liked the baby, the brave baby Waso. And this whole story is written by Malachi Doyle. Malachi Doyle. He is famous for writing pictures book to teen fictions. So here we'll stop with our this chapter. In the next video we will meet again with our new chapter.